When it comes to hosting a party or preparing a family meal, having the right kitchen tools can make all the difference. Enter this Heynemo electric slow cooker buffet server, a game-changing appliance designed to streamline meal prep, keep food fresh, and elevate your entertaining experience. With its innovative two-pot design, this 2-tie 1.25 QT dual-pot slow cooker is perfect for cooking multiple dishes at once, making it the ultimate solution for busy hosts and home chefs alike. In this review, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and why this slow cooker should be your next kitchen essential. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Versatile. Two 1.25 quart removable ceramic pots. The standout feature of the Heynemo electric slow cooker buffet server is the dual 1.25 quart removable ceramic pots. Whether you're preparing 2 different dishes or just want to cook a variety of foods simultaneously, the 2 separate pots provide the flexibility to suit your needs. The removable ceramic design makes cleaning after your meal a breeze, ensuring that your kitchen stays tidy without a hassle. From appetizers and soups to stews and desserts, there's nothing this versatile cooker can't handle. Number 2. Adjustable temperature control. With 3 cooking settings: low, high, and warm. This slow cooker ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every time. The low setting is perfect for slow braising or simmering, while the high setting allows for quick cooking when you're in a rush. The warm setting is ideal for keeping your dishes at the perfect serving temperature, so you can enjoy your meal when you're ready, without worrying about it cooling down. Plus, each pot has individual temperature control, meaning you can customize the heat for each dish. Number 3. Durable and stylish stainless steel design. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this slow cooker not only looks sleek but also stands up to the rigors of daily use. Its durable design ensures that it can withstand the heat, providing consistent and reliable cooking every time. The polished exterior is both modern and easy to clean, ensuring your slow cooker maintains its pristine appearance for years to come. Number 4. Convenient glass lids for easy viewing. Say goodbye to lifting the lid to check on your food. The heat-resistant glass lids on the Heynemo slow cooker allow you to monitor the cooking process without losing heat. The transparent glass lets you see how your food is progressing at a glance, helping you adjust your cooking accordingly. The anti-scald, cool touch handle on the lid provides added safety, protecting your hands from burns or discomfort. Number 5. Perfect for entertaining and on-the-go meals. Hosting a party, office event, or family gathering, this dual-pot slow cooker is an entertainer's dream. Its compact size makes it perfect for buffets, serving stations, and smaller gatherings, while the ability to cook and keep food warm ensures that your guests will always have a hot meal ready to go. Whether it's a large family dinner or a casual get-together, this slow cooker keeps your food fresh and ready to serve for hours. It's even portable, so you can take it with you for camping trips or outdoor barbecues. Number 6. Non-skid feet for stability and easy cord storage. Stability is key when it comes to kitchen appliances, and this slow cooker delivers. Its non-skid rubber feet ensure that it stays securely in place no matter where you set it up. Plus, the built-in cord storage keeps your kitchen organized and prevents any cord tangling when not in use. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to efficiency. Why you need the Heynemo electric slow cooker buffet server. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone who enjoys easy meal prep, the Heynemo dual-pot slow cooker is an essential addition to your kitchen. Here's why. Saves time and effort. Cook 2 dishes at once without compromising on flavor or quality. Perfect for those busy nights when time is short. Ideal for entertaining. Host stress-free gatherings knowing you can prepare a variety of dishes, keep food warm, and let guests serve themselves. Easy cleanup. Removable ceramic pots make post-meal cleanup a breeze. No more scraping and scrubbing stuck on food. Adjustable settings for ultimate control. Tailor each dish to your desired cooking style with individual temperature controls. From slow cooking to quick heating, it's all in your hands. In summary, the Heynemo electric slow cooker buffet server is a fantastic solution for anyone who loves easy meal prep and entertaining. Its dual pot design, adjustable temperature settings, and compact size make it perfect for everything from family dinners to office parties. If you're looking for an appliance that can simplify your cooking while keeping your meals fresh and delicious, This slow cooker is the answer. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.